if you notice, the seat is changing next to me. I now have. This is what the second video we've done together.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, so we got a nerd herd.
What's up, guys?
Ben here. You got a nerd herd, Markel, AK, Sith Optimus, your first person killer, FPS assassin. This is gonna be a short one. I'm kind of gonna hop straight into this one.
Yeah.
One of my least favorite PlayStation accessories is this bad boy here, the charging stand for your controller. This is the first one I bought. My second one's still hooked up because what happens is these don't work sometimes. This one clicked. This one doesn't click. So,
oh wow.
Yeah, it's probably the worst accessory I bought for PlayStation to keep my controllers charged. So yeah, I got another one at the house and it's doing the same thing.
What?
Yeah, it's pretty trash.
Even that's all out of whack.
Yeah, it's pretty trash.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a bad design.
That happened probably like the second week I had it. So yeah, wasn't too happy with it. But now, I just went straight to it. I'm sorry. We've got the DualSense Charging Station. Pretty stoked about this. Charging 2 controls at one time.
Yep.
Frees up your USB ports. I mean, that's always a plus when you're charging stuff on your PlayStation. That's not a controller, which never happens.
Yeah.
It's a click-in design.
Oh boy.
Let's see.
Flashbacks.
See if it lasts longer than this puppy. If not, this will be getting returned. I'll just dive straight into this one.
Tear it up. Just tear it up. Get savage. Get savage. Fucking rip it. Rip it apart.
I guess I can't return it now. I'm now fully committed to this. And once again, Sony had me in mind.
Yep. Pull tab.
Simple, once again, simple white boxing. I'm really digging the minimalist look that Sony went with.
Yeah.
Like, it's not like the console's flashy, but everything else is very straight to the point.
I like it.
Boom. And what fell out?
Paperwork.
Stuff I'm not going to read.
The most important thing.
Ben's going to read
You
it.
should have read.
And, wow. So we got the Power Cube.
Is that proprietary?
I don't...
No. Okay.
I don't think it... No, it's not.
Okay, yeah. You can probably find it somewhere.
They did, though. I kind of like this.
Okay.
It's actually 2 parts. It makes the charging station... gives the ability to go farther, put it in more places.
I was thinking the same thing, yeah.
Okay, Sony.
I dig it, yeah.
All right.
That's a good... How long was this cable? Okay, so not very long.
3 meters, not that long.
They weren't thinking on that one.
Man, I use meters. I didn't say feet or anything. Wow. I must have ate my Wheaties this morning.
It was a whole meter.
That's a whole meter and a half.
That sounds beefy.
Yeah, the
Jeez.
thud.
Okay. This one's like...
Yeah, chintzy. These are old person words there.
Yeah, that's definitely an old person word.
It's called me Gertrude.
Gertrude.
No offense to Gertrudes out there. We love you all.
Whoa, okay.
Okay. It's sleek.
Very sleek.
You know what's kind of funny?
What? It looks like a tiny look. Dude, they planned that.
What? Okay, Sony. I see you. I see you with this charging stand.
Check it out. It looks like a tiny little PlayStation. That's adorable.
I see you, Sony.
So for comparison,
okay,
here we go. That's pretty legit. You know? All right. I like that.
I'm digging that. I had no clue how these. I should probably read the instructions. I put these in there, but I do not read instructions, so I'm listening.
It looks like magnetic, so you don't have to line anything up. Just drop it in there.
Whoa! It just
does that.
Wait, listen. I definitely didn't do it.
There you go.
It clicked.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Okay, you don't have to do that anymore.
You don't do that.
Man, piece of get out of here. Bye. We're done with that. Look at this, Sony. You're the real MVP here.
Oh, let's show it off here.
Dude, I'm stoked.
That looks clean.
That's super clean. Like, and it's tiered.
It is tiered.
Wait for it.
Do it again. Some AR sound for you guys.
You know what? That's
Sturdy.
hella dope.
Check that out.
Sony.
That's
right
a good
now.
one. That's a good one.
That's a win. well worth the $40 a spit.
I bet it's tiered because when it's charging, I bet something lights up here so you can from just like sitting down and see it.
You know what?
We should probably
There's a plug right there.
Fit, jostling around. Okay. It is glowing.
It is glowing. It is
All right,
glowing.
cool. I'm gonna mess this up. There we go.
Okay.
All right, they're glowing.
So this actually turned into a tech demo apparently.
I like it.
It went from an unboxing to me throwing with things. I had a mini temper tantrum for like 30 seconds of my
did.
life. Actually, maybe 5. And to a tech demo.
I like it.
Man, we're getting way too good at this.
We're
We'll
getting
watch
way too
out.
efficient.
Way too efficient here.
That's cool.
I'm digging this.
There's 30 in there. They're not moving. I mean, they're moving a little, but they're not like falling out.
It's like the other ones. Like the other ones, like you put a PS3 control, PS4 control in there, and like you would shake it like that. It's coming out. It's not charging. Even if it was clicked down. So man,
This is nice. I like it. There's no like blinding lights either, so you can sleep next to it and it won't like wake you up. Well done.
Sony, I'm gonna give this accessory. Man, I don't do this often. Very picky. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
Ooh, you heard it here
First
first.
here first on the Nerd Herd.
Yeah.
A
The KR, the Kel review, gives it 10 out of 10. Well, you give me a 5.
Oh, yeah,
10 out of 10.
Yeah, look at that.
Nice job. All right. Well,
Well, once again, as always, check for the affiliate link in the channel for these bad boys, or this bad boy, I should say.
yeah.
I mean, we might even throw the DualSense in the affiliate.
We'll do it,
Why
yeah.
not?
We'll do it.
We'll do that. And
Sure.
once again, make sure you like us, love us, subscribe to us, and just follow us because, like, this week we went ham
Yeah.
on like content. Like, this is like video number 5, 6 this
5,
week.
6, yeah.
I mean,
There's a lot.
we're outrageous.
We still got more coming up, so stay tuned. Down below, we'll put. We also do social media. We also do streaming as well. So be sure to catch us there. And as always, you guys have a good night and good fight.
Peace.
Peace.